Originally, we founded this. This is all using the Swansea Bay funding. We founded and equipped and kitted this area out using that funding. And there's another 3 beds here, so 6 beds in total. Morning, how are you doing? Thank you. And now that area hit capacity really within about 2 months of opening. And we just had so many malnourished children come through, and we had to expand. We had to do more because there was nowhere else in the country for them to go. So this is what we came up with, which is another 8-bed inpatient feeding unit for Liberia's malnourished children. And you can see they usually have other conditions in here as well, tuberculosis, HIV, heart conditions, all kind of other things go on in these areas. So it's a full medical program as well as just feeding, which is really important. And we now have a team of staff, about 26 staff, that we've managed to train in partnership with the Ministry of Health to keep this whole thing running. So, I mean, this is where your donations go, and they do go directly to this project. So they go straight to buying nutritional supplies, and they also go straight to buying the medication, occasionally bits of equipment, oxygen concentrators. Really, it's done on a as needed basis. We will just look at what's in the pot and we'll just buy what we can.